Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today I have this IBG Models Catalog 2021. It's a Polish company. Not a lot of people know about them, but they do create some really nice kits. If you've not been on this channel before, basically I grab a catalogue from my stash and I film it page by page so that you can see what the manufacturers were producing of the year of the catalogue, or as we say back in the day. This one's a new one which I've got to be put into my stash. It's going to be filed away, but before I do that I thought we'll have a little look through this catalogue. I filmed these in the best quality possible that I have, so if you want to see it in that quality, go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages too quickly, you can slow the video down by clicking cog, playback speed and selecting either 0.5 or 0.25. You can obviously pause the video at any time and then just press play when you're ready to continue watching the catalogue. Only 10% of you are subscribers who watch these kinds of videos, and it would really help the channel if you could just click subscribe. And if you want to be notified on any new video I put out, go to the bell and click all. Anyways, that's a good introduction, I think. Let's get into it. This is the IBG catalogue for 2021. Enjoy. So, I hope you enjoyed that. There's quite a lot in this glossy catalogue, and I hope that the glare isn't too much. I've tried to get the light in just about right so it won't gloss up too much, so you won't get too much reflection. Opening up, you can see quite clearly that they have really gone in for the military straight off the bench. Now, They've done their own Bedford QLD, Bedford QLR. They've got the QLT and the QLB. I've been told that in 1:72 scale, they're one of the best. So if you do want some of these for your dioramas, etc., these kits, these ones here in particular, are very, very good, especially next to like a Wellington or something like that. Moving down through, I'm just trying to see which was new. I can't see anything new on that scale, really. The Diamond T truck, I think that's been out for a while now. There are some lovely kits in here. There really are lovely, lovely kits. Yeah, so just Swedish light tanks. Japanese medium tank, gasoline early. Gasoline mid-production, Japanese medium tank, you know, so you can go through them all. Look at that Chevrolet C60S, all in 1:72 scale. You know, I think if you want to do this sort of stuff, I think IBG may be your answer. Just moving through, nothing here really catching my eye that's new. So where it says soon, these are coming out. So you've got the Toady tank destroyer. They've got a Nimrod coming out soon. A Landsverk L62 anti, that's the Finnish self-propelled anti-aircraft gun. That's due out soon. A Crusader Mark 1 close support's due soon. That's a new one. Crusader Mark 3. Look at that V3000S German truck. You know, I know it's all box art, but if they're going to build this sort of stuff, it's amazing, isn't it? There's the Scammell Pioneer. I want to know whether this is being made by another company, and they're just reboxing it as IBG. If anybody knows, just give us a shout in the comments. 1:35 scale now. IBG Models starter sets in our new line scale vehicles designed for fast assembly. So it looks like these are the starter sets, and they're going to come with Hitaka paints. So if you want to build yourself one of these Polish tank out with Hotchkiss MG, Hitaka paints come with it, which is quite interesting. And they're all new, apparently. Some of the box art looks phenomenal, doesn't it? And some of it even comes with, like, this one comes with a metal barrel. That one there comes with a metal barrel. There's that Bedford QL. That's a new one, that is, in 1:35 scale. I think you can get that now, if I'm right. Again, a metal barrel. Includes metal barrel. There's the Scammell Pioneer in 1:35 scale. That looks quite nice, actually. Moving through, again, Chevrolet C60 in 1:35 scale. They're coming soon. Look at that, the water tank. So these must be coming soon. If they're not out yet, they will be this year. So they're actually, you know, that's seven new models in this catalogue so far. Right. The 77P is due out this year. And so's this one here. So you've got the 70P Polish tank. You've got the twin turrets early production. And then you've got late production. So I presume they're going to use the same sort of setup as that one, a single turret. Then you're going to be added extra sprues of plastic to make them up. There's the 1:700 scale ships. Don't know much about that. I know some of them's new. Is that Ilex, the British class destroyer? That's apparently coming out next month. I read up right. I think that's coming out next month. And there's the HMS Hotspur there, 1941. So there's a lot in this catalogue if you fancy building it. Yeah, the PL, B and C, that's coming soon, but that's not a new as such. I think that's going to be like a bit of a rebox of the P11A, B and C. You got an F there, and some even come on ski, so they have new parts in them, but it'll be a newer tooling, if you know what I mean, but not a brand new tool. Then they have the 2-in-1 combat trainers, which look quite cool as well. There's the 1:32 scale PZL P11, and you can have it in Romanian service, a Polish fighter, and you can also have it there as the Rare Birds, which is a new scheme. There you are, on this one here. Very, very nice, lovely. You know what? So, you know, you're saying about Zvezda and IBG, you know, they do put a lot of effort into the catalogues. And if you can buy them, buy them. They are a treasure trove. They really are. I love catalogues. And I like going back to the old ones as well as the new ones just to see what was available. And then wonder what happened to that tooling. Because a lot of the older stuff is now being reboxed by the likes of Revel, Esky or Esai, however you want to say that name. Is being done by Italeri, and Italeri are now telling you when they're doing it. You know, it's a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, by and by, there you are. That was the IBG Models Catalogue for 2021. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any videos. Any questions, any comments? If you like what you see, have you built any of these kits that are in this catalogue? Anything you like, anything you dislike, just put them in the comments box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.